kids, let's not forget about buying your new dress and shoes and finding a trash can for that charming wool hat.
The hat stinks.
While we're waiting for them, could you get me some things from the kitchen?
Not a problem.
Could you fill the pitcher with milk and bring it out, hon?
Sure thing, babe.
He's gonna fill it with milk. He's gonna fill it with milk.
Could you get my sun hat too, sweetie? And my sunglasses?
Not a problem.
What now? That Connie creature took my 4 irises from that bird and planted them in her garden.
1 + 3 = 4.
Hear that? 3 more lawn chairs than Connie. Can you tell me how many more couches I have on my lawn than these?
If she has 0 and you have 1.
I've got 2 beds on my lawn and an antique dresser.
Well, my antique dresser has a 10 drawer.
Well, my antique dresser is under the bathtub.
Well, my bassinet has a 10 sticky aftertaste to keep me from slipping.
Well, I've got a cat for a helper.
Well, I want a helper with a 10 finger.
Well, my helper has 2 arms and 2 legs.
So does mine.
And a tail.
The diesels ruined our sheds.
The diesels ruined our sheds. The diesels ruined our sheds, Edward pouted. Now where will we sleep? Moaned Henry. It even blew Gordon's tent away. Bother! I'll show those diesels, puffed Thomas. So the next time Thomas saw Harry, he gave him a biff. And when Harry saw James, he gave him a bump. Soon the diesels and the steamies were biffing and banging and being bumped all over the island.
So this storm was your fault. Yes. That was really silly. And dangerous. It was because of the game. And he's taking it away from me now. Hey, does anyone know where this tunnel goes? Emery said it went out of the city. Hey, keep it down, will you? Some of us are trying to rest. Sorry, Brewster. Yeah, we know you need your beauty sleep. Some of us had a really busy day. Hey, where'd you go?